Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So do you want to share a YouTube video link but not sure how to copy it on your laptop or PC? So here's a super simple guide how to do it. First thing first is to open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Now the thing is find the video you want to share by either searching for it or selecting it from your home page. Once the video is open, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. The URL in the address bar should be something like http://www.youtube.com/watch, as you can see over here. Now simply click the URL you want to highlight it and then right click and select copy. Alternative, you can also do Ctrl+C or CMD+C on your Mac. Another way to copy the link is through the share button on YouTube. Below the video, you click the share button, a box will appear in the URL, which is ready to be copied. Simply click copy to grab the link. Once you have copied the link, you can paste it everywhere and anywhere. In a message, on a social media post, on Instagram, on Facebook, on an email, anywhere. Just right click and select paste or just press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. And that's it. Now you know how to copy and share a YouTube video links easily on your laptop or your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.